All right, so this is a 1975 Terex haul truck, T-E-R-E-X. And I'm at the Pima mine, or whatever they call this mine. It is 310 tons. That is really big. And these tires they're 11 feet tall. Holy cow. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, and looking straight at it, just above the center is where where my eye meets it. This is a massive hauler, 1,600 horsepower. And you drive it on the left side. And I was told that in the mine, you drive on the left side of the road because you really can't see much, down below for a good distance. So they all drive on the left side of the road in the mine. So just kind of interesting. And really neat. Just a big old haul truck. Very nice. Don't mess with a haul truck this big, because you won't win.